look at the sky, it's oh so high. Clouds like cotton floating by. The sun is shining bright and gold. It's a warm hug we can hold. Things around us everywhere, in the sky, in the air, on the ground, let's take a look. It's all here in our life's book. The trees so tall they touch the sky. Birds are singing as they fly. Leaves are dancing in the breeze. Buzzing bees and buzzing bees. Mountains stand so proud and strong. Rivers flowing all day long. Fish are swimming, splish and splash. Nature's show is quite a smash. In the garden flowers bloom. They fill the air with sweet perfume. Butterflies flit to and fro. They put on quite the nature show. Cars are zooming down the street. Wheels go turning oh so neat. Buses, bikes and trucks so big, all are moving like a jig. Lights are blinking red, yellow, green. The city's lively, what a scene. People walking day and night with a hop, skip and a light. In the house there's stuff to see. Tables, chairs, a cup of tea. Books and toys and comfy beds. Happy places fill our heads. Rain is falling, pitter-pat. Grab your coat and grab your hat. Puddles form, we jump around, splashing water on the ground. The stars at night, they twinkle bright. They light the sky with shining light. The moon is smiling up so high, a nighttime hug from the sky. The world is full of things so cool. At home, outside, or at your school. Everything we see and do is magic just for me and you.